Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Mazda CX-30, stock number 6392. It's ran from the 10th 2019 to the current shape. It has a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no damage. Right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,